Okay, so I've gotten a couple questions about this candy cane video that I uploaded a few years ago, and the video is really sped up on some of the parts. So, and a few of you have asked for a slowed down version of this candy cane thing. So let me just slow it down for you, and I'll show you kind of in slow motion how I made this candy cane. Okay, so this tubing is used for construction blueprint plans that my husband, works on, and he has extra of them and he brings them home for me. So that's where I got this, but I'm sure you could go on Amazon or some place to buy a tubing sort of like this. And then what I did is I measured out where I wanted to cut, and I cut about 3 inches apart from each other's slits. So at the top part of the tube, I did like a 6-inch, and then I started 3-inch, 3-inch, 3-inch. And you're gonna get a saw. I did a jigsaw to cut just halfway into the tube, straight first. And so you'll cut. And it looks like I did 7 slits. And then the second cut is cutting at a diagonal. So you're going to cut you're going to start halfway in between each slits, and you're going to cut towards the point of one of the cuts. So you're going to create kind of a triangle sort of thing. And this will help make the bending sort of thing of the candy cane. Okay, so I just kind of made lines of where I'm gonna cut. All right. Then, as you can see, you can easily bend it, and it doesn't hold in place. So I had to duct tape it bent and then paper mache it. And once the paper mache dried, I can cut that duct tape.
Duct tape. Woo!
And I hope this helps with your candy cane making, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.